What's up, YouTube? Today is October 25th, 2020, and it's the 10th anniversary of Taylor Swift's Speak Now album. Now, my channel is not a country music channel or a mandolin channel. So that's my cat Bishop here. But I always did like the mandolin solo in her song Mean. So I decided that today would be a great day to learn it, and I did, and I didn't see any other videos about it, so I'm putting it up here for anyone else who wants to play the mandolin solo from Mean. For those of you who don't know it, it goes like this. Alright, so let me break that down into a few parts. So it starts with, it actually comes in kind of weird in the tempo of the song, so you just have to listen to it a few times and you get the feel of it. But it's, you got that. So you're on the, again, I'm a guitarist, not a mandolin player, so we'll do frets, not notes. We're on the 6th fret of this second fattest string combo, and the 7th of the one above that. So we're doing. Okay. Then you got this little alternated picking part. You got that. You're on the 2nd fret of the top 2 strings. And you're alternating between the 2nd. So then you got this little scale thing. And so open on the highest string, and then 6, 4, 2 on the 2nd highest string. And then you got this slide thing here on the 2nd lowest strings thing. And you're sliding from 4 to 6 up to 2 on the 2nd highest. And then 4 to 6 again, and then 2 on that same string. So it's. And then you got this down picky thing it is, where you're gonna slide from 4 to 6 on the 2nd lowest string. You're gonna mute the 2nd highest string and ring out open on the highest string. You're gonna do that 3 times. There you go. And then it ends with, which is 2, 4, 2 open on the highest, and then 6, 2 on the 2nd highest. So all together, once again, that is. Alright, so if you enjoyed learning the mandolin solo from Mean by Taylor Swift, definitely do not subscribe to anything to my channel, and definitely do not check out any other video on my channel. Like I said, I mostly don't play mandolin, and I mostly play death metal and other not country stuff. So yeah, this has been a lot of fun, but and so yeah, I hope you enjoy playing the solo, but bye for now.